Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is MC, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, turn notifications on, and like this video. I know I haven't done a video for a long time, but today I'm doing one, guys, and thank you for so many subscribers, guys. So, guys, we're almost to the 500 subscribers, and I'm gonna be giving away a skateboard for that. So let's get right into the video. So today was my birthday, so I got a bunch of new just 3 fidgets, cause yeah. But the first fidget I got, it was this unicorn dimple. Open it up. I never get the scissors. There we go. Here it is. And if you want to do so I can hang it on my suitcase because I'm going traveling tomorrow. Well, at 3 in the morning. And I'm going to put this onto here. Okay. Oh, I can't flip this thing. Okay, that's fine. So, yeah, there's that. Okay, the back side is kind of hard. Okay, let's see this side. Ooh, this side is actually really good. Okay. Next thing that we have is this color changing puppet. Now, if you put this in the sun, it will change colors. It'll change into blue, then pink, then purple, like a little sunset, pink and purple and blue color. If you put it in the sun, but then you can't get it out of the sun, it stops right. Oh god. Oh my Jesus. Okay. So I'm gonna put this right here. My LED lights. And my LED lights could trim it. That fell. I'm sorry about that. And let's open this. Smells like rubber, like burnt rubber. Okay, now let me pop it in the other side. That is so good, guys. Then the last thing that I got was this black infinity cube. Okay, it is black and white. Why did it feel different? It feels like metal. This one feels like metal. Ooh, this is actually really good. I have a pink one and a blue one. I think that was in my bag of fidgets. I'm going to take to my mouth. Ooh, these are so cool. So guys, these are all of the puppets and just everything that I got. If you want me to do more hauls and more reviews of fidgets, comment in the comments and I would love to do that, guys. I see you all in the next video. Love you all. Bye.